What's up, everyone? So, this is going to be my last autocross video of the year. The way that it was set up was a team style event for fun. Basically, you set up a team of four different classes, and each of you should try and win your class. However, the other three individuals in my team were looking for a full F Street team, so they can name the team F and F Street. I'll give the creator of the name kudos because he got us these wine glasses for such a creative name. Anywho, there are 5 runs, and I will be doing a voiceover. And the last run I think had no audio because my audio glitched in my GoPro. So maybe I'll do some sound effects for you guys.
I walked it a few
So,
times.
I'll let you guys watch the course. It's pretty fast and very, very simple elements. This guy I have with me is from UMass, and I guess they have a racing club. New England region had invited that group to come and expose them to more motorsports. And if you just listen in the background, he's just having a blast. And I loved having him in the car. I wish he could have drove and I could have rode with him, but his tire had a big chunk of rubber missing from the sidewall. Cold tires, not turning in. And like I said, fast course, a bunch of sweepers, just turn the car in, floor it. Turn the car in, floor it.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
Hey, that was a good run. So this is my second run. Another UMass kid. I took his dad actually because his son had a 370Z, and I wanted to show him the difference between the two cars. And I mean, mine is mildly set up, but he was pretty quiet throughout the entire ride. I thought otherwise. I thought he was gonna be like freaking out, and something that my mom would kind of freak out about. But fast run, did better than my first. I'll let you guys watch. To go more about that guy's dad, he always actually wanted to try this, but never had the money. But now his son's doing it, and I told him to come on and try next time. It was really cool to meet this guy. This one I had another rider that came from UMass, and he was driving a Subaru that day, so he really wanted just to see how fast this car would be on the track. So apparently on this run I hit a cone. After watching this, I still can't find where I hit that. Oh yeah, this is the first time I decided not to hit rev limiter and shifted to third. So for half this run, I forgot that I had traction control on. So halfway through the taxi, I'm just like fumbling with my traction control switch. So after I turned off the switch, I was completely not ready for my cold tires, and you can see I almost just lose it halfway down the runway. So for this run, I was actually waiting at the start line for like a good 5-10 minutes. I think since the sun came out that it was messing with timing, or at least that's what I've seen. So in the afternoon, I didn't get any warm tire runs. I mean, it was 30, 40 degrees anyways, but there wasn't a sixth run because the sun was setting, and I am the first heat out of 3. And you can see the sun position right now. It's not that high, but this was my fastest run, and I hope you enjoy the sound effects.